Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how to enable the firewall in Glasswire in just minutes. Glasswire uses the built-in Windows firewall and gives you an easier way to control it through its interface. So first what you can do is open to your Glasswire on your Windows or the PC. And over here, once you get into this interface of a Glasswire, you need to select to this top left firewall tab here. Simply toggle on. In order to toggle on, you need to upgrade to the Glasswire to Premium. You can select to this upgrade and you can proceed to the upgrade process. And once enabled, the Glasswire will start monitoring and controlling outgoing internet connection through Windows Firewall. And after that, you can click the flame icon next to any app to instantly block its internet access. You can switch between the firewall modes, block or ask to connect available in the certain versions. And once everything is enabled, the Glasswire will actively monitor and manage your network security in the real time. And that is how you can enable the firewall in the Glasswire. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to enable the firewall in Glasswire. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.